Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add additional content in admin and customer email in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add additional message or custom message in customer or admin emails. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see setting. So click on it. Now general setting open and then you see email tab, so again click on it. Now email section open and scroll down, you see email notification and then you see email, content type and then you see recipients and then you see email, new order, cancel order. So this email goes to admin and then you see order on hold, processing order, completed order, refunded order, customer note, reset password, new account. These all emails goes to customer email address. Now you see customer and these three email goes to admin and then you see manage button. Now you see new order, manage, right click on it, open link in new tab. Now click on it. So this is admin email notification. Now you see processing order, completed order. So this is customer order notification. Now open it and then you see refunded order. This is also for customer. Now go to admin email. Now scroll down. You see additional content. Now you see message. Congratulations on the sale. So you can add custom message according to your requirement and then click on save changes. So when admin receive email, then admin receive email with additional content we added in this field. Now go to customer email notification. Now scroll down. You see processing order and then you see additional content. Thanks for using website. So this is our site URL. So you can add custom message according to your requirement. And when customer receive processing order email, then customer receive this additional content we added here. Now go to completed order, scroll down. You see additional content. Thanks for shopping with us. So if you want, you can add additional custom message here. And when customer receive completed order email, then also customer receive custom message with completed order. Now go to another notification, scroll down, you see refunded order and then you see additional content. Now back to WooCommerce email. So you can add custom messages in all admin and customer email according to your requirement by using WooCommerce setting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.